This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine stepping into a Spanish town square, only to find everyone, young and old, completely naked. But this isn't a protest, it's a festival, and the only dress code, your own skin. The air is alive with music, laughter, and the smell of grilled sardines. What's wild is how normal it all feels. Every summer, Sopelana transforms for the Fiesta del Sol Desnudo, the festival of the naked sun. Families picnic, teenagers strum guitars, and elderly couples dance, all without a single stitch of clothing. A bearded man, grinning at my clothes, handed me wine. He told me, "This is about freedom, not exhibitionism. In Sopelana, for one wild weekend, everyone is just human." Every tradition has an origin story. The Fiesta del Sol Desnudo began in the early 1980s after Franco's dictatorship ended. A handful of friends gathered on a secluded beach, reclaiming their bodies after years of repression. Their nudity was a quiet rebellion, a political statement. Barinazzi Beach became the festival's home. Over time, the festival brought visitors and economic benefits. The younger generation embraced its message of acceptance. A quiet act of rebellion became a public celebration. It's easy to dismiss this festival as hedonism, but the philosophy runs deeper. Here, nudity isn't sexualized, it's normalized. The erotic charge disappears when everyone is the same. A university student told me it's the one weekend she doesn't worry about body image. No brands, no trends, no hiding so-called imperfections, just people as they are. In daily life, we're bombarded by impossible standards. The festival is an antidote. All bodies are welcome, old, young, thin, large, scarred, tattooed. This diversity, celebrated openly, has a profound effect. It reminds us that every body is normal. Without clothes, social barriers vanish. People connect on a fundamental level. I watched strangers share food, play music, and talk openly, shedding inhibitions along with their clothes. This shared vulnerability creates trust and community. Ultimately, nudity here is a symbol, a rejection of artificial constructs, a statement of authenticity. In a curated world, this radical act of being unfiltered feels refreshing. The festival challenges us to reconsider shame, propriety, and what it means to be human. The Fiesta del Sol Desnudo isn't unique. Cultures worldwide embrace nudity for deeper reasons. In Japan, the Hadaka Matsuri sees thousands in loincloths seeking spiritual renewal, not exhibitionism. In tribal societies, nudity is simply natural, clothing is functional, not mandatory. These cultures remind us that shame around the body is learned, not innate. Even in the West, events like the World Naked Bike Ride and Burning Man use nudity to break social barriers and promote causes. What sets Sopelana apart is its integration into a traditional town. It's not a remote protest, but a celebrated community event. The festival fuses ancient impulses with a modern quest for freedom. It's a case study in how a community can redefine its relationship with the body. Here, public nudity isn't about shock, it's about connection and acceptance. In Sopelana, the unclothed become a symbol of a different kind of society. The people of Sopelana aren't just taking off their clothes, they're taking a stand for authenticity. And that message resonates far beyond this small Spanish town.